Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen.
It's cookie time. Choose one of us to play with.
Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. What word cookie, you ask? You never guess. It's cookie made out of a word. Huh? Me show B. T. Now you. To make word, drag one of your letter cookie cutters here. It. Bit. Now use little chef fingers to mix cookie letters together and... oh please, mix with your finger. Magnifique. It. Bit. Hey, who bit the cookie? Was it you bit cookie? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We need 4 yummy word cookies to fill the cookie shelf. Come on, little chef. Let's make this dough. Hear me go. B. T. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Pot. That's terrific mixing. It's cookie miracle. It's pot. Okay, watch this. B. G. U-turn. Bag. Come to cookie. Kawabunga. A cookie that look like bag. This dough. Hear me go. B. G. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Big. That's terrific mixing. It's beautiful. It's big. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every... Me no can believe. Why? Well, you know, sharing is caring. Me no can believe. This time, me gonna try this. P. N. Now, you. Pen. That's terrific mixing. Magnifique. It's cookie in shape of hen. Okay, me start word. P. N. Now, you. Pan. Come to cookie. It no finished. Keep mixing. Kawabunga. It's cookie in shape of pan. This time, me gonna try this. P. T. U-turn. Pot. Oh, that smells delicious. Kawabunga. It's cookie in shape of pot. Oh yeah, me go first. P. T. Now add your letter. Pat. That's it. It's working. It's cookie miracle. It's pat. me tap this cookie lately. It's so cute. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now pot. No, oh please, oh please. Oh, that smell. Kawabunga! It, man! Oh yeah, me go first. M. N. You turn. Men. Oh please, mix with that terrific mixing. Magnifique! A cookie that looked like men. Okay, watch this. F. N. Now add your letter. Oh, fun. Oh, that's it. It's working. Kawabunga. It's fun. We have so much fun making cookies. Okay, me start word. F. N. Go for it. Fan. That terrific mixing. It's cookie miracle. It's cookie in shape of fan. Oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and fan. Oh, for me? Oh boy. Okay. Nom. Man. Nom. Nom. Excuse me. Man. Nom. Nom. Excuse me. Fun. Nom. All the cookies for me. Thank you, little chef. Quick, we got to make more cookies for you. And for me, some more. Okay, me start word. P. G. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Pig. Oh, me no can wait. Kawabunga! It, pig.
Oink, 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 oink.
Okay, how about this? P. G. Now, add your letter. Oh, pug. Come to Cookie. Magnifique. It's cookie in shape of hug. Okay, me start word. H. T. Oh boy, let's see what you got. Hat. To mix, move you. That's it. It's working. Kawabunga! A cookie that looked like cat. This dough. Here me go. H. T. Go for it. Hot. Oh, that smell down. Kawabunga! It's hot. Oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. Oh boy. Delicious word cookies ready to eat. Here, maybe pig. Nom. Nom. Hot. Oh, for me? Oh, boy. Okay. Nom. What you doing? What you doing? Hat. Oh, for me? Oh, boy. Okay. All the cookies for me. Thank you, little chef. Quick, we got to make more cookies for you.